Let me show you how to make authentic clay pot rice with that perfect crispy bottom. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just incredible results every time. Start with rice, soak until it breaks easily between your fingers. This ensures perfect texture. Drain well and add your pot with just enough water to cover. A drizzle of oil around the edges is the secret to that signature crispy crust. Cover and cook over low heat until the water evaporates. When you see those little steam holes forming, it's time to add your marinated beef and sliced sausage. The portions are generous, nothing like the skimpy takeout versions. Here's the magic step. Drizzle more oil around the edge of the pot. This creates that incredible golden crust that makes clay pot rice so special. Keep it covered on low heat until the meat cooks through and you hear that satisfying sizzle from the bottom. Finish with a splash of soy sauce over everything. The moment you mix it together, that's when the magic happens. The sauce coats every grain. The crispy bites break through the tender rice and the meats release their juices into the whole dish. That fast spoonful gives you everything. The crackle of the crust, the savory meat, the fragrant rice. This isn't just food, it's texture and flavor harmony that will make you forget all about takeout.